in today's video, we're really gonna be talking about what is actually the update of the day. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it and to make money from it. Also remember, this is not a financial advice. Okay, so do your own proper research before you dive in. Crypto has risk involved in it, so you might have gone through some courses how crypto actually work before you dive in. Okay, so this video I'm gonna be explaining to you guys on how you can actually make some money on daily basis by using what is trending on daily basis to make money. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular place, this is the top over here. This is, I believe you know what is coin market cap. So this is top, and once you are in this particular place, which is top here, okay, this particular area, once you are in this particular top, you can actually see what the market is showing us here. Okay, so in the next some few months, I'm not really gonna be talking about coin to buy and not to buy. Okay, but in the next some few months from now, in the next 4-5 months from now, we're really gonna be buying the dip. As you can see, the crypto market is down at this particular moment. This is not actually the time to buy coin, okay, but this is time to do what? To take a chill pill, the time to take a vacation. Okay, and for those of you that are doing DCA, okay, this is time to accumulate. For people that are doing this DCA, people who have much to buy. So but for those of you who doesn't have much, this is a time to stay away from this market, okay, and focus on other things like arbitrage, future trading, spot arbitrage, okay, and P2P arbitrage. If you want to learn that, you can join my VIP group. I have a class where I teach you how to make money in coin arbitrage, P2P arbitrage on daily basis. Okay, it costs you a little token for you to join our VIP. So you can send me message on Telegram or WhatsApp. The number is down below this video. So if you take a look at this particular market, you see that the market is actually down. So how people are making money from the market right now is for you to come over. Once you are in market cap, coin market cap, you come over to this particular place. Okay, once you are in this particular trending area, now you can actually, early morning is the right time for you to do this. Okay, so what you really gonna be doing is to find out the most top coin for the day, which you can see here. Bybit is the top coin of the day. Okay, this is the coin that are trending already in the crypto market for today, because every day has its own, every coin has its own day and time of trending. So you take advantage of that particular opportunity to make money from the space. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how to actually do this. Okay, so now you can see that this market is on the high, okay, on the high side for today, and you can see 1 month. This is 1 month chart, and in this 1 month chart, this coin have done 1,300. This is 13s, okay, 13s. So but we're really gonna be looking for 24 hours, the last 24 hours. So in the last 24 hours over here, you can see that this particular coin have actually done over here close to 70%. Okay, so I want you to pay attention. Just this morning, under 24 hours, this coin have done 70% or more. Okay, so it's just all about go up. You can see it have gone over here, it have gone to roughly $9 before it's now it started coming down. So it means it have gone to 70 to 80%. Okay, so now this is how you make money from this particular place. So once you have in this particular coin market cap, and you dictate the time this coin is actually very high, okay, the next thing for you to do is to go now on 15-minute time frame, and look for the coin in exchange where you can now be able to trade it. So I'm gonna be showing you how to trade this particular token right now. The name is Bit. Okay, so let's look for Bit. So as you can see over here, I'm now in Bybit. Okay, the major two exchange you can be able to use to do this is number one is Mexi, Bybit, and number two is Binance. So these are most popular exchange which you can use in any country where you are. You can find a particular exchange that has this particular coin. Okay, so what we're really gonna be doing right now is to look for this particular token. Okay, so how to do it is you come over to this particular place where you can see search. Okay, this search button here. Okay, now immediately you click here, you doesn't need to search for the coin, because the reason is because this particular coin is already on a top. You're really gonna be make sure that this particular coin is also on the top in exchange that you are buying it. So you can see the coin is on the top searched. Okay, this coin is on the top search, so you can see that. So now what are the top search? You can see now that the coin is here. Look at it. So what do you have to do? Open the coin, okay, and make sure that the coin you are on a spot, because this particular coin we're really gonna be trading it on a spot. So for you to get it on a spot, search for the name of the coin and make sure you are on the right place. Okay, so here you can see that in this particular place the coin is not in spot here. So you go to maybe Binance. Let's see here. So as you can see now, I'm now on Mexi. Okay, so now in Bybit, the Bybit doesn't have spot of this particular token, but for me, I basically love trading on Mexi. So the Mexi is where I am now. You can see that the coin is now on Mexi. So this is where we're really gonna be trading the coin in Mexi. Okay, so but make sure that the coin is on popular exchange like Binance or Bybit. So since I'm not using Binance for this particular coin, what I'm really gonna be doing is to come over to this particular place where I can find it on spot, okay, which is Mexi. Now if you take a look at this particular coin on Mexi, you find out that this coin have actually done well, okay, in the last this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in the last 12 days. Okay, in the last 12 days this particular coin have actually done well, because if you take a look at here, you see that I am on a 1-day chart. Okay, now what you're really gonna be doing right now is not for you to do what, for you to short this particular coin, because most people will go ahead to short the coin saying that this coin will go down, which is on future, but that's not really what you're gonna be doing. So what you really need to do is to come over to this particular place, which is 15-minute time frame, because you are a day trader as it stands now. So what you're really gonna be doing is for you to wait. Okay, whenever this particular coin come over to this particular zone, okay, this is oversold, this particular oversold area here, okay, this particular line here, okay, that's what you're really gonna be doing is to do what, to buy. Okay, and when you are buy, your target should be only 5%. Okay, now let me show you what 5% looks like. Immediately this coin come over to this particular place, let's say 7, you can see $7 here. This particular area is $7. You can see that over here, this is $7. Okay, whenever this particular coin, I'm gonna wait. Whenever it comes to $7, then I target 5 to 10% of my money. So from here, let's assume that I'm using $5 $50 to do this from this particular area. Okay, let me clear here, which is $7. Okay, from $7 immediately comes to this zone where it is $7. I'm gonna be using $100, then I will buy this coin at this $100. So what I'm gonna be getting is $14. You can actually join my VIP group if you want to be getting this kind of signals on daily basis. Okay, you can join, send me message on WhatsApp or Telegram. So now what I'm gonna be targeting is, since I bought from $7 from the oversold, okay, you know, we have oversold and overbought. So now oversold is the area where I'm gonna be focusing, because I'm doing spot trade. So now whenever it give me a minimum of 10 a minimum of 5% to maximum of 10%, then I'll sell. So let's see what 10% looks like from here. Then we'll see, let's see this. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so this is actually what I will be looking for. Okay, now immediately the coin goes from that $7 to 7.50. okay, 7.50 is gonna be at least 6%. okay, so once it give me from 5% to 10%, I will close the market and take my profit, meaning that I'm gonna be using $100 to target $5 to $10. So whenever I come back and see the trade at $110 or $105, I will take my profit. Then what I'm gonna be doing again is for me to go back again and wait for the coin. Once it have gone up, okay, once it have gone up again and come down, I will be waiting for it to come down again. If it comes over to this particular zone again, I will do what? Buy again. So this is how you can actually trade the trending coin on daily basis to make money from the market. So if you want to learn more about this, you can actually send me message on Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you. Peace out.